Good morning, students. I hope you are doing great. Staying home, staying safe. Today we will start lesson number 10, that is Democracy in India. So let's get started with the chapter Democracy in India. In the previous class, we learned about government. A government is a group of people who are responsible for making laws and taking care of the affairs related to the governance of the country. This means government is a group of people and they take care of our country. They make laws for us, they make rules for us. Now there are different types of government, and in India we have a type of government called as democracy or democratic form of government. The definition of democracy as given by Abraham Lincoln is: a government is a form of government that is made by the people, of the people and for the people. It means it is amongst us only a person who becomes the part of government, and it is for the people and it is by the people. We ourselves elect our leaders. So democracy is a government of the people, by the people and for the people. Next topic is features of democracy. India is the world's largest democracy. Special features that make India the most popular form of government in the world are. Now, what are the features? What are the important things about democracy that we should be aware of? First is right of the people to elect their leaders in a democratic form of government. In a democracy, people elect their leaders by means of voting. Our parents who are 18 years of age and above, they go and they cast their vote. It is known as universal adult suffrage or universal adult franchise. The next feature is right of people to express their views on the policies of the government. Democracy allows the people to the right to express their feelings without any fear. We can express our feelings about the government without any fear, but it should not hurt the sentiments of any class of people. Equality and justice. In a democracy, people are considered equal. Nobody is rich, poor, black, white, or any injustice is being done by the government. We are equal and we are being given justice equally. All laws in a democracy must be fair to the people of the country. Laws are not made according to the class, like this, he's rich, he's having another type of laws, and this person is poor, he's having another type of laws. Laws are, everybody is equal in the eyes of laws. So it is, the equality and justice is also one of a feature of the democracy. The next topic is Constitution of India. India has world's longest written constitution. Now, constitution is a book where all the laws regarding India are written. And in the Indian constitution has adopted a federal structure. Now, what does this word federal means? It means that India works through three different levels, that is central government, state government and local government. All the powers are being divided into these three. Central government is in New Delhi. State government is in various states like Punjab government, Haryana government, Karnataka government and so on. And local self-government means the government of cities, villages and town. So in India, the power is shared between union, central and the state government. It is not vested only with one form of government, but it is being divided into all the forms of government. Now, there are three branches of government. The legislative branch, that is, which makes laws. Then executive branch, which implements laws. Implements they implements the laws that are being passed by the legislative branch. And the last one is the judicial branch. It interprets laws and applies laws and administers justice. It checks that the laws are being applied properly or no, or it gives us the justice also. So these are the three branches of the government. That you have understood this part of the chapter completely. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.